Adding smart landscape lighting during new home construction boosts curb appeal, safety, and daily convenience immediately. Start by planning zones for pathways, entry points, and architectural highlights, so wiring and transformer locations are embedded before finishes are closed. Choose low-voltage light-emitting diode fixtures because they are energy efficient, run cool, and last far longer than halogen. Size the transformer for 15 to 20% more load than calculated to avoid voltage drop. Use warm color temperature around 2700 to 3000 Kelvin to keep skin tones and facades looking natural and to avoid harsh blue light that washes out landscaping. Install a smart controller that supports schedule, scenes, and local manual override, and place it on the home network with a dedicated strong Wi-Fi link or hardwired Ethernet if possible to reduce latency. Integrate passive infrared motion sensors for safety lighting on paths and driveways, and combine those with ambient light sensors so lights do not trigger during daylight. Run conduit or at minimum labeled pathways for future expansion, so adding fixtures or cameras does not require trenching later. Most people underplan transformer capacity and experience dimming or flicker as they add fixtures. Prevent that by calculating total wattage, allowing a margin, and using a voltage tester at the farthest fixture to confirm proper voltage. Another common mistake is using cool temperature or high color rendering fixtures that make landscaping look unnatural and draw complaints. Pick warm Kelvin rated LEDs and test a sample fixture on site. Finally, many installers place lights too close to plants or point fixtures directly into foliage, which creates glare and rapid plant trimming issues. Position fixtures to wash surfaces or silhouettes and aim beams to accent edges and pathways rather than shine into leaves. On bighomeprojects.com, we help homeowners connect with local contractors, and contractors find new work opportunities related to landscape lighting and smart home upgrades. We also host an active discussion community where we share project ideas, troubleshooting tips, and real-world experiences.